doing great. You're welcome to Dima Glamora channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be showing you the easiest way to ventilate. The keyword is easiest way to ventilate and not a hair in a wiglet to get this beautiful and smart wig. But before that, guys, please like, comment and subscribe, please. Alright, thank you. So we are passing a needle through a hole. Grab 2 strands of hair, make a loop and knots. Pass your needle through a hole, grab 2 strands of hair, make a loop and knots. So we are using another wedge. Pass your needle through a hole, a single hole. Yeah. Grab 2 strands of hair, make a loop and drag it out. Pass your needle through a single hole. Grab 2 strands of hair, make a loop and knot. So I hope you practice it. You will really love it because it's very easy. Like very easy. Just take your time and watch the video. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye. Please. Alright, thank you. So we are passing a needle through a hole. Grab 2 strands of hair, make a loop and knots. Pass your needle through a hole. Grab 2 strands of hair, make a loop and knots. So we are using another wedge. Pass your needle through a hole, a single hole. Grab 2 strands of hair, make a loop and drag it out. Pass your needle through a single hole. Grab 2 strands of hair, make a loop and knots. So I hope you practice it. You will really love it because it's very easy. Like very easy. Just take your time and watch the video. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.